Hello， 大家好 ，Welcome to my channel for basic Chinese. Are you ready to embark on an adventure from absolute beginner to confident communicator in Chinese? Look for no further. My videos are here to guide you through every step of your Chinese learning journey. Forget about the boring textbooks and tedious grammar drills. I'm here to revolutionize your learning experience with my video series lessons designed especially for beginners like you. Whether you are starting from scratch or brushing up your skills, or just planning a trip to China, or try to impress your friends with some newfound language skills, my videos will equip you with the tools you need to succeed. Because my videos go beyond the basics, delving into pronunciation, grammar, language content, as well as culture behind the language. So everything you learn is practical and useful in real life, making your learning experience both enjoyable and effective. With my well-designed content and engaging presentation, you will be speaking Chinese with confidence before you know it. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities, one lesson at a time. Let's get started learning together. In Unit 2, we will learn different ways to express time, like how to express the year, the month, the week, the date, and the exact time about the clock. And of course, you will learn the related vocabulary and grammar used in such expressions. And most important of all, you will learn the very practical conversations on this topic. Okay, let's get started. Hello, 大家好. Welcome to TCH Chinese Academy. In this video, we are going to learn some very useful phrases about time. So let's look at how do we express this in Chinese. First of all, let's look at this Chinese character. So this is 点. What does that mean? Remember, Chinese characters are picture graphic. They look like pictures. Now look at this character. What do you find? Yes, these are the dots. So this word means dot. Then let's look at the face of a clock. We also find a lot of dots on the face of the clock. So that's why we use 点 to express a clock. So here are the examples. We express exactly what time. So clock, 点. How do we say 2 o'clock in Chinese? So 2 o'clock, just 2点. So 2, that's 2, and o'clock, 点. And can we say 2点? Because, you know, the English 2 can be translated into 2 and 2. No, we cannot say this. This is totally wrong. Remember, we just say 2点, 2. When we use 2 and 2, and I have other videos to differentiate that, here just, remember the time, only 2 点. Okay, so how about minute? That is 分. So how do we say 2:10? Literally, it means 2 o'clock, 10 minutes. So that is 2点. And then 10分, 2点10分. It's easy. And then how about this one? 2 and 5. So it's also about 2 o'clock, 2点.
And here is 05. So we just say 05. So this is 0, 2:05. And you may ask, where's 分? Actually, this 分 is optional. We can, in colloquial Chinese, we tend to omit it because if you add a 分, you can say this is 2 words and this is 3 words. It's kind of off balance. And in Chinese language, balance, especially in the phrase, we pay a great attention to this balance. So 2点 2 words and 05 also 2 words. So we kind of, drop this word. Simply say 2点05. But here, this 10 is just one word. So we need to keep the 分. And if we drop this 分, 2点10, it sounds really strange. So we have these 2 words and 2 words, the balance. So 2点10分. This one, 2点05. That's perfectly right. And we do have half in Chinese when we talk about time. So that is 半. For 6:30, there are 2 ways to express that. So we can say 6点30 and 分 is optional. So 6点30, 6:30. And now we can use this half, this 半, and that is 6点半. So in English, the 半 goes first. But Chinese, we just 6/2, 6点半. So 6点30 and 6点半. And these are equally popular. You can use either way. How do we say quarter? Yeah, quarter is 克. And for 8:15, and we can use 2 ways. Yeah, the first simple way, just the a clock and then the hour and the minute. So 8点15. And 分 is optional because 15, 2 characters already. So 8点15. Then how do we use the quarter 克? So we can say 8点1刻. Simply means 8:15. 8:15. 8点1刻. 8点15. 8点1刻. How about 2? Yes. So like 8:45, this 2. So it's 差. Literally it means short of. 差. For 8:45, we can say 8点45. 45. This 分 always optional. 8点45. How about we use the 2 and quarter? So 8:45. So we say 2:45. So 差1刻9点. So 2:15, 9 o'clock. 差1刻9点. Then how about this? 差, let's see, 9:55. So we can say 9:55. 9点55分. Yeah, this 分 can be omitted. It's too long. 9点55. And we can also say 5 to 10. So that is 2:05, 10 o'clock. So 差5分, 5 minutes. 10点. So 5 to 10. 差5分10点。Okay, so I hope this short video can help you to express time in Chinese correctly. And check out my other videos for more useful Chinese on this topic. Hello, 大家好. Welcome to TCH Chinese Academy. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to ask a question which is very commonly used in our daily life. This is, when do you go to work? So to say when do you go to work in Chinese, we need to learn how to think in Chinese. So the Chinese pattern for this is, you what time go to work? Once we know the Chinese pattern, we can just simply do the word-for-word translation. And let's see, 你, that's you, yeah, 你. 几点, 几 is the question word, and 点 is the time o'clock. So 几点, what time? Go to work, 上班. 你几点上班? 你几点上班? So here, 上班. Perhaps you know this word 上. Yes, it means on or up. So here is the meaning is on. And 上班 is on your work, on something. And you cannot find, the English go and to. So this is a phrase to, set phrase to express go to work. Okay, one more time. 你几点上班? Do you notice the key with a difference between Chinese and English? If you can find the difference, the key with the elements, and that means your Chinese is more authentic. Yes, that order. In Chinese, we have the subject you, and then follow the time expression, and then the verb. So it's not like English. The time, goes at the end of the sentence. It's time expression always, between this subject and verb. So that is the key with a thing which can differentiate whether your Chinese is correct or authentic or not. So this is a very important tip, remember? And so by practice, I think you will burn it in your mind. Okay, so let's see how we answer this question. 你几点上班? And we can simply do the substitution to answer this question. 我8点上班. What does that mean? Yes, I go to work at 8. See, the tip I just told you? The English is I go to work at 8 o'clock, this at the end. But Chinese, remember, always between the subject and verb. So you cannot put this time expression at the end of the sentence, which is totally wrong. So 我8点上班. I at 8 o'clock go to work. That is the Chinese order. 你几点上班? 我8点上班. Now let's see this. When do you come off work? So the Chinese pattern is you what time come off work. So let's do the translation. 你 yes, 几点? So come off work is 下班. So 下 means off. 下班 you off your job, off your duty. So you cannot find come. We just say off. Yes. 你几点下班? 你几点下班? The same pattern. Remember? the subject, and then the time expression, and then the verb. 你几点下班? How do we answer it? Let's see. I come off work at 5 o'clock. So the answer is 我. And next, yes, time first. 5点, 5 o'clock, 5点. And then you have the verb, 下班. Good. I think now you got it. So 你几点下班? 我5点下班. Okay, thank you very much. And check out my other videos for more authentic, practical Chinese. Hello, 大家好. Welcome to TCH Chinese Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how to express the days of the week in Chinese. Actually, it's pretty easy once you know the tips. Okay, let's look at 星期. We use these two characters to express the week. So let me break it down. So 星 means the star. So all these stars is called 星. And the 期 means cycle. So together 星期 means the week. And we can use this 星期 to mark your schedules. So it's very useful. We need to know how we can say this 星期 in Chinese. Let's start with 星期一. Did you find, we say 星期 first, and then 一 is the number. So that's 1. So that means Monday. So 星期 means the week, and 1 is 一 is 1. So it means Monday, and it doesn't mean week 1. No, it's not week 1. So we think our week start with Monday. So 星期一, that means the first day of the week. So 星期一. Now, since we know we use numbers to name our days a week, so 星期一, that's Monday. Then how about 星期二? So 星期二, 二 is 2. Yes, that's the Tuesday, second day of the week. Now, since you know these rules, and I think you can say all the rest of the days a week in Chinese. So Wednesday, that's the third day, so we say 星期三. That's right. And Thursday, 4. 星期四. That's right. And Friday is 星期五. That's right. And Saturday is the 6th day. That's 星期六. So we use all these numbers to name the days of the week. 星期一, 星期二, 星期三, 星期四, 星期五, 星期六. And for this, there's one, yes, Tuesday, the 2nd, we also use 二, not 两, okay, 二. And this 四, notice the pronunciation is S, 四, 星期四. Now we need to learn how to say Sunday. Are you going to use the numbers again to name this day? So are you going to use, number 7? No. I think, great minds think alike. So for Sunday, we say 星期日 or 星期天. So this 日 means sun, and this 天 means day. So we have two ways, either 星期日, 星期天. both are, commonly widely used. You can either say 星期日 or 星期天. Maybe you find this 日 is hard to pronounce. Actually, just, rolled up your tongue, as in the English word pleasure, that 日 sound. So 星期日. And if you find it's too hard, okay, you can just keep to say 星期天. You can just remember, your easy way to say it, but you got to know we do have, two ways to say this. 星期日 or 星期天. Okay, so actually, besides the days of week, besides start with the 星期, we also starts the days of week with 礼拜. So what does 礼拜mean? 礼拜 means, you go to the church to worship. So we can also, begin our days of the week with 礼拜. That's, influenced by the Western culture. And we also have another one, it's called 周. 周 means cycle. So this is a very traditional, typical Chinese way to name the days of the week. So you can either begin with 星期 or 礼拜 or 周. You can simply put the number there, to say, let's say, the first day of the week, Monday. So you can say 星期一. And you can also say 礼拜一. Now for Tuesday, we can say 星期二. We can also say 礼拜二. And just put the numbers there. For example, Wednesday, you can say 星期三, 礼拜三 or 周三. So this 星期, 礼拜 and 周 are interchangeable. So that's all for this video, and check out my other videos for more useful Chinese on this topic. Hello, 大家好. Welcome to TCH Chinese Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how to ask what day is today. Yeah, that is a very commonly used question. So oftentimes we say, hey, what day is today? And how do we say that in Chinese? So what day is today? It's always important to learn how we think in Chinese. So the Chinese pattern is today, what day? See? The English goes with what day, and then we just end with what day. We goes with today. And another difference is there's no is. We simply just say today, what day. Is that simple? Yes, I think so. So Chinese can be very simple if you know the tips. Just follow me and learn more tips. Now, once we know this pattern, we can just do the simple word-for-word translation. So today is 今天, yeah, 今天, 今天. And what day is 星期几? So actually, 几 is this question word. And 星期 means week. So by asking what day, actually we are asking what day of the week. So 星期几? 今天星期几? Can you try? 今天, yeah, 星期几? Faster. 今天星期几? Okay. So once we learn how to ask, we also need to know how to answer. So how to answer this? 今天星期几? Today what day? The simple substitution. So 今天 today, let's see, it's Monday. So we say 星期一. So this is the question word, and you just substitute this one. Yes, so 星期几, what day, and 星期一, that's the first day of the week, Monday. And so 今天星期一. Then next, 明天, that's tomorrow, yes. So 明天星期几? Can we answer? Can we try? Yes, you just do the substitution. So find a word to replace this question word. So 明天星期二. Pay attention to this 2 is 二. So Tuesday, that's the second day of the week. 二. And this 二, see the pronunciation? Not not So it's 二, this kind of sound. Yes. Do you find this hard? Some Chinese, people living in the south, they find it's really hard to pronounce this 二. So not okay? 二. So 明天星期二. So 明天星期几? 明天星期二. And sometimes you know the date and you want to find out the day. So we can say, what day is October the 5th? Remember the Chinese pattern? Yes. October 5th goes first. October 1st, what day? So that is 10月5号. October, the month, 10月5号. And then you ask the question, 星期几? 10月5号星期几? And suppose it's Wednesday. So 星期三. You don't have to repeat all this. You would just say Wednesday. Yes, 星期三. Okay, one more time. 10月5号星期几? 10月5号星期几? 星期三. Then let's see this one. What is Christmas? So Christmas, what day? That is the Chinese pattern. And Christmas is 圣诞节. 圣诞节. And then you goes the question, 星期几? So 圣诞节星期几? And you can answer 星期六. 六 is 6, that's Saturday. Yeah. So 圣诞节星期几? 星期六. Okay, so check out my other videos if you want to learn more phrases to express this topic. Hello, 大家好. Welcome to TCH Chinese Academy. And in this video, we're going to learn how to ask a question that is, what's the date today? Yeah, this is a very common question. So we don't know the date and say, hey, what's the date today? Yes, or what's the date tomorrow or something like that. So let's see, what's the date in Chinese? Remember, we need to know how we think in Chinese to express this. So the Chinese pattern is today, what date? So today goes first. And what date is not what's the date. It's just today, what date. That's simple. And then based on this pattern, simple, just do the word-for-word translation. So today is 今天, 今天. And 几 is this question word. And date is 号. So 几号 is about what date. So put them together is 今天几号. 今天几号. And let's see, 今天几号 and the answer can be 今天是8号 so literally means today is the 8th and actually this 是 okay the verb to be can be omitted and this sounds more natural so 今天8号今天几号 today what day no 是 is and 今天8号 so this is a very big difference in Chinese between Chinese and English so a lot of cases we just omit this is it sounds more natural unless you want to say today is it's not 7th of course you can add this for emphasis other than that you can just say 今天8号 no verb 今天8号 how about this one 今天几号 you can say July the 4th this time we add the month so month goes first and then the date 7月 July is the 7th month so this is 7月 and then 4号7月4号 and for this 今天几号 we can also answer 2022年10月5号 so this time we have the year and the month and the date so notice in Chinese year comes first and then follows the month and date it's always from big to small and 2022年 is this year so in English you say 2022 no in Chinese you just gave the number the digits separately so 2022年 and then October we say the 10th month 10月 and 5号2022年10月5号 so this year just remember the separate digit and also pay attention to the pronunciation of this R okay this sound not R okay R 2022年 can you try roll up your tongue 2022年10月5号 okay try one more time 2022年10月5号 well that's all for this video and check out my other videos for more Chinese on this topic Hello 大家好 welcome to TCH Chinese Academy In this video, we are going to learn how to ask questions like, when do you do something? For example, when do you go to Shanghai? So, to learn how to say this in Chinese, we need to learn how to think in Chinese language. So, the Chinese pattern for this question is, you, when, go to Shanghai. So notice this is a question, but we start with the you, and this when is just between the subject and the verb. So this is a big difference. And another thing I would like to say, in English, when you when, it's rather a broad sense. And in Chinese, we to be more specific. So if you are expecting the answer is about the date, then you need to use a question word which indicating what date. So this English, the Chinese translation is just 你几号 that's what date 去上海 say go to Shanghai there's no to just go Shanghai so 你几号去上海 and the question word or about the time is always between this subject and the verb. So this is the pattern. Subject, verb, and this time expression always in between. 你几号去上海 Now to answer this question, 你几号去上海 Let's see. I go to Shanghai on the 8th. So the Chinese is 我8号去上海 See, this 8th 8号 goes here. 我8号去上海 Now the question, when do you come back to Beijing? And so the same pattern, you when come back to Beijing. So this time the when, I don't want to ask about what date. I'm more interested in what day of the week. So this time I'm going to say 你星期几 the days of the week. 你星期几回北京 Say come back is 回 and also no to. Just come back Beijing. 你星期几回北京 And the pattern is still the subject and time expression and the verb. 你星期几回北京 How to answer this? 你星期几回北京 Let's say I come back to Beijing on Sunday. So the Chinese is 我星期天 Yes, the time goes first. 回北京 A lot of students say, I understand this rule, just, when I sit, I tend to, go 我回北京 and 星期天, tend to put this time at the end as English. Yeah, that's, we need to have this awareness, strong awareness, and also we need to practice a lot. So try to, have this kind of basic pattern burned in your mind. So 我星期天 first, 我星期天回北京 One more time, 你星期几回北京 我星期天回北京 Well, that's all for this video, and check out my other videos for more useful Chinese on this topic. Hello, 大家好. Welcome to TCH Chinese Academy. In this video, we are going to learn some really neat phrases that are commonly used in daily conversation. How about go to work? How do we say that in Chinese? Now first, let's look at some Chinese characters. This one, yes, 上 and 下. So what does that mean? Can you look at this? Yes, so it means up or on top of something. This one, 下 means down or under something. So if you have some, Chinese knowledge, and maybe you say, oh, these are the prepositions. Yes, but sometimes they can be used as verbs. So this means go to, and this one means come off. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use this 上 and 下 as verbs to form some phrases. The first one, 上班 that is go to work. Yes, 班 is your work or job. Yeah, 上班 And how about 下班 You're off that work. That is easy to understand. Yes, that's off work. Come off work. 上班 下班 It's like the opposites. 上 and 下, they are opposites. So 上班 and 下班. Do we have other phrases with this 上 and 下? Yes. How about 上 课 go to class or have class. And 下课 come off class, or finish your class. Now notice here, a lot of times in English we have the have class and cannot translate that into 有课. No, we just tend to say 上课. We do not say 有课. That is not very authentic. So 上课 and then 下课. 上课下课. And how about this one? 上学 学 here means school. So that is go to school or have school. The same thing, we cannot say 有 school. No, we just say 上学. This is very, very typical Chinese. 上学. In the same way, if you finish school or go off, school, can we say 下学? Yes. So in some places, in some areas, people still say 下学, but we have a more popular way to say finish school. We say 放学. So 放学 is more commonly used than 下学. So this one 上学 放学, because 放 means, to off, to relax. Yes. So 放学. And how about this? 上线. Yeah, 线 means line. Yeah, get online. So this 上线. Yes. And 下线, I think you know the meaning. Yes, that is get offline. So we have all these, phrases with 上 and 下. And they are really, short and neat, and it's very vivid. And I hope you, learn these phrases and you can use them in your daily conversation in Chinese. So check out my other videos for more useful, authentic Chinese. Hello, 大家好. Welcome to TCH Chinese Academy. In this video, we're going to learn how to express time sequence in Chinese, as it is so different from the way in English. Now, first, let's look at some very basic vocabulary. 年 that's the year. 年 月 the month. And for date, we have two words. 日 the first one is more written, formal, and next 号 is more colloquial, spoken. So 日号. And next one is 星期 that's the days of the week. So one more time, 年. So and this one is 一 年 年. And 月 so 五 and 月. So 月 and 日. A lot of students say, hey, this is quite hard to pronounce this 日 because there's no such sound in English. Actually, just roll up your tip of the tongue a little bit and 日 just like the English, pleasure, that sound, yeah, that is 日 and it's 号, yeah, 日 号 and 星期 about the days of the week. 星期 so 年 月 日 号 and 星期. So when we express this year, month, date, and weeks, and I think the big difference is in the way we express year in Chinese. So let's look at 1937. So 19 and then 37. So we break them into 2 digits. How about Chinese? No, we do not say this. It's quite different, but it's very much easy and simple. So we say 1937年. See the difference? Yes, we just gave the numbers separately. So 1937. 1937年. So based on this rule, how about this one? 2000. And we can say 2000s, but we prefer to say 2000. So that is 2000年. Yes, we do repeat this 零 3 times. Yes. And also notice for this 2 in numbers, we always pronounce it 二 when you count the numbers, and it's pronounced 二. And it's not 两. And you can check out my other videos for the differences of this 2 in Chinese. So 2000年. And this one, 2022. Yeah, just the 2022. That is 2022年. Yes, 2022年. So one thing we need to pay attention to is that we use 二 for 2, not 两, 二. And the other is pay attention to the pronunciation, this sound, sound. The perfect standard Chinese for this is 二. They have sound, not that's not the perfect one. So 二. Try one more time. 2022年. Okay, so once we know how to say the year, and then let's put them together. How about, okay, this is the sequence. Yes. 1949年. When's that? 1949年. So that is 1949. Yes, 1949. And 10月. So we use numbers to name the months. The 10th month, yeah, 10月, October. And 一日 or 一号. So that's easy first. And then finally it comes the days of the week. 星期六. Yes, we also use numbers to name the days of the week. So that is the 6th day. That's Saturday. 1949年10月1号星期六. And now you will say, hey, I know the sequence. So you Chinese just go from bigger to small. Yes, that's right. This is a rule, actually, in a lot of overseas situations, when we write the address and when we express a concept, we always go from the bigger one to a smaller one. Now let's try to do this one more time. 1949年10月1日. So actually, that is the day when the People's Republic of China was founded. 1949年10月1号 or 1日. Okay, that's all for this video, and check out my other videos for more useful language Chinese on this topic. Well, thank you very much and see you next time. 谢谢，再见。